Let us learn about saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Carbon atoms have a remarkable property of linking to each other and to other atoms. Hydrocarbons in which the carbon atoms are linked to each other only by single bonds are known as saturated hydrocarbons. Methane is a saturated hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are linked to each other by double or triple bonds are known as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons can form straight chains or closed chain structures. These chains can have branches and crosslinks and are known as closed chain or ring compounds. Hydrocarbons containing only single C-C bonds are called alkanes. Hydrocarbons containing double and triple bonds between carbon atoms are known as alkenes and alkynes respectively. What is meant by catenation? Let us see. The remarkable property of carbon atom to form bonds with itself and give rise to a single large structure or chain is called catenation. The carbon chains can be straight or branched, forming large molecules. Catenation is also defined as the property of direct bonding between atoms of same element to form a chain. Let us look at the allotropes of carbon. The phenomenon of existence of a substance in various physical forms but same chemical form is known as allotropy. Both diamond and graphite are formed by carbon atoms. Diamond is a hard, beautiful crystalline substance, while graphite is a soft, grayish-black crystalline substance. In diamond, each carbon atom is linked to 4 other neighboring carbon atoms held at the corners of a regular tetrahedron by covalent bonds to form a rigid 3-dimensional structure. While in the case of graphite, each carbon atom is attached to 3 other carbon atoms forming a hexagonal planar structure. Physical properties of graphite and diamond are different, but their chemical properties are the same. In diamond, there are no mobile electrons in the system, and hence diamond crystal is a non-conductor of electricity. On the other bond, in graphite, free electrons move throughout the entire layers, and hence graphite is a good conductor of electricity. What are the uses of diamonds and graphite? Diamond is used as precious stones in jewelry. Black diamonds are used for cutting glass, while graphite is used in making electrodes and carbon lubricants and lead pencils. Let us look at the parent hydrocarbons. Take the example of methane. It is a saturated hydrocarbon and an alkane. If we increase the number of carbon atoms by 1 and the number of hydrogen atoms by 2, then we will get a compound C2H6. This is ethane and is the next member in the family of alkanes. If we add 1 more carbon atom and 2 more hydrogen atoms to ethane, we get the compound propane, C3H8. From this, you can infer that the general formula for alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, where N is the number of carbon atoms. The formulae and structures of some saturated compounds of carbon and hydrogen are given in the table here. Let us study straight chain and branched chain. Let us take the example of pentane. You can see that different structures are possible. 3 possible carbon skeletons are shown here. Let us fill hydrogen with remaining valencies. Let us look at the structure with formula C5 6H12. Look at this structure. It contains branched chain. Compounds with identical molecular formula but different structure are called isomers, and the property is known as isomerism. On the other bond, when the two ends of a chain of carbon atoms are joined together, then a closed ring is formed. For example, cyclohexane, C6H12. Let us look at the structure of benzene, C6H6. Benzene ring is made up of 6 carbon atoms, in which each carbon atom is joined by single bond on one side and double bond on the other side, that is, alternate single bond and double bonds.